Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to log out of your account in Fortnite 2024 on PS4, PS5, Xbox, Switch, and PC. So let's get started. On the top right side here, click on your profile icon. Next, go to Settings here. Once you are in Settings, then go to Account and Privacy here. And here you can find the option Logout. Now the issue with this is that if you select Logout, when you boot up Fortnite again and log in, it's not going to give you the option to link to a different account. It's just going to sign you back into this account. So you need to unlink your Fortnite account from your Epic Games account. So open your web browser and search for Epic Games Login. Then open this first website here. Next, you need to log into your account here. When you log in, this should bring you to account settings. And if not, you want to select the profile icon in the top right corner and then go to account here. Next, scroll down and on the left side here, click on apps and accounts here. Now here's where you'll see all the gaming platforms for Fortnite. So for your gaming platform, you want to select remove. Next, check all these boxes and click on remove account. Now go back to Fortnite and then go to the home menu and then quit your game. Now you want to boot it back up, and once the game boots up, you'll be given the option to link a different account. Now, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has you covered with incredible discounts on thousands of titles. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.